In this segment, sponsored by Easton Outdoors, Chris caught up with managing member Micah Miller to get some yard revamp inspiration.
So today we're talking about an outdoor space that is a little bit ready for the fall, right?
It is, yes. So in this episode 13 of Revamp Recap, we're talking about a space that was an existing fire pit. He had a fire pit there with his Adirondack chairs laid out in the lawn. He said, you know, you've done a ton of work for us in our yard, and I want something that just kind of brings up this space to the same elevation of everything else we've done in the yard. So I said, all right. And I got to drawing with my pen and pencil, and you guys will see the design that I put together for him. The whole thought process behind this space was just something that was unusual, something that you don't see anywhere else. And so we used really chunky pavers that have a wood look, and we laid those on a diagonal just to make it so it kind of pulls you through into the space. This space also is buffeted by weather quite a lot because it's right at the opening of a bay, and so there's a ton of wind, and even that point is underneath water from time to time. So in doing that, you know, not only is it chunky in look and appearance, it's also chunky in the way that it's built to withstand that kind of weather.
Well, as you can tell, the material used is top of the line there,
Yeah.
which is important if you're going to do something that's built to last, and that's
Yes.
exactly what it is.
Yeah. There's a couple cool things about this one is inside of those pavers we actually core drilled, and we put lights that shine up so you see the rocks that are around the outside of it. Those have just a very soft glow on it, and when those little shadows that are in the rocks kind of start to show up with that light as it's kind of washing up, it really gives you a very unique feeling at night where it's the shadows and the highlights get hit, and it just kind of creates a space that's really cozy and comfortable to sit at. The pergola, while it's way overbuilt, I mean, we've got 8x8 posts, we've got 4 8x8 posts. Normally you'd need 2 4x4 posts.
Right.
We've got that going up, and we've got lights going on up and down on that, and then our 6x6 going across, and that's to sit that swing right there. And when I was laying out that space, I said, all right, there's the mouth of the bay, and I literally got that entire pergola perfectly squared to the mouth of the bay, so that when you're sitting in that chair, you sit back, and right in front of you, you get to see the water view, because that's the focus of that space.
And as you saw in the before shot, it was just a fire pit, and now it's a spot that calls you and beckons you to come and enjoy. So we're going to pop up a QR code on the screen right now. If viewers want more information, just get your cell phone pointed at the QR code to get that information and more inspiration. This looked like kind of maybe a bigger job. How long did it take to do this one?
So this particular job actually took us 4 days, everything all in. So the pergola, those guys started, they set their posts, and while they were finishing up the pergola, the paver guys came in and did what they needed to do. So yeah, all in 4 days. We do have a low voltage line here, but this one, he just has a metal fire pit. So we wanted the wood burning fire pit in this particular space. If you saw episode 12, we talked about a gas fireplace. This one's just wood.
You could do either. And how about the budget on this one?
Yeah, so all in for everything you see, it was $29,200 for the landscape, the pergola, the pavers, the lighting, and all the grading that went around this space.
You know, Micah and Easton Outdoors can do anything. Please add light to your feature.
Absolutely.
Make it an outdoor space usable at night, because it just changes the ambiance.
Yeah, even at the daytime where you can see, like, you can just see how that little bit of light adds a little bit of an ambiance, you know, even in the middle of the day. So imagine how much more accentuated that is, right at dusk, when it's right 8 o'clock during the fall, as things are, even Halloween, think about that, right around time change and things like that.
Ooh, you went Halloween on us. You're getting
well,
there.
We got to think about it.
It's
We're getting
coming,
close.
People.
Yeah.
All right. As always, thank you for joining us here on HRS.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
This segment of the Hampton Roads Show is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They are located at 550 White Creek Road in Pocosin. Give them a call at 757-262-3232 or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They are on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC.